Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Yahoo Sports app. So how to watch Yahoo Sports app, and let's get straight into it. So get into your apps, go to Google and just type in Yahoo Sports to get the app in the first place. So we'll get the app, that's when we can watch it. So search for Yahoo Sports. So you want Yahoo Sports. I think that will be sufficient. Now you're gonna find the app on applet.google.com, hit it, and you have this app right here. So you're going to be able to install it. In my case, already installed, so I'm just clicking open. But if you come there, you see an install button. Click on the install button, you have it already installed, then you can open. Now I'm in the app. This is it loading. You could find the signing option come up to the top left. If you have an account, then by all means sign up and get the best of the experience. So I'm accepting all the cookies and privacy terms, and I'm going to find home at the top, scores. So look at the various scores for the different categories. You have the football, La Liga, Premier League and all that. So you can also check out more to see personalized experience with the different leagues and even women's tennis. So your notifications will pop up here and you access them there. At the same time, you can check your picks, so your favorite picks, the apps, the teams you are tracking, and all of that. That's depending on what you've set. So if you want to track them, then you find the notifications for those things there. So also on settings, you could change a lot. You could sync with the server. You could change your theme from light to dark or whatever you choose, and it's going to apply. I just change over to dark. So you could choose to do autoplay over Wi-Fi only or over mobile data. That's, you choose what you want, but preferably Wi-Fi only. You should have autoplay on Wi-Fi only, and then your language, if you want to change, you can change from there. Now on the home button, you could look at the middle screen right now. You're going to find you could personalize this a lot and just what you actually want. Now I don't have favorites selected, but if I do click on the plus button, I could add a little, maybe the Premier League and La Liga, just to illustrate. To now I have the Premier La Liga up here. I could click on the Premier League, and that brings me the games. These are games that happen tomorrow, the news, and the table. So I could look at the table on the Premier League right here. Arsenal leading City, and then the stats, odds, all of that is available here. So the games in the Premier League scheduled are this: Wolves and Arsenal, and basically that's what's gonna be streaming. So scores are here. You can look at the next games coming up in La Liga and the Premier League because I chose them. So that's how you navigate the app. That's how you use it. If you found that insightful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.